I didn't know if you had one like that or not. If you do, Mom can take it back and change it.
No, I do not.
That looks fun, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's pretty fun. I do not have one like this.
What is that now?
It's a
Shooting gallery.
shooting gallery.
Oh, a shooting
And
gallery.
the animals come up on a little screen and you can shoot them.
Oh, really? Well, that sounds like fun.
Ooh. My favorite lawnmower.
A lawnmower.
Like Jim's. Man, I always wanted mine.
Well, good.
You got one.
You got one, now.
Let's see. Let me see that.
It's a lawnmower.
Let me see that. Oh, wow.
Like Jim's lawnmower.
Well, that's a John Deere. Golly.
Just do another sock.
Well, that looks just like the real thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
What else is in that box there?
A tractor.
Oh, wow.
It's like the same thing what I have.